Are you gonna record this?
I am.
Can I do my notes at work then? Because I left my pens at home. No.
Can you what?
Do my notes at home.
Okay.
Can I do my own?
No, you didn't leave your notes at your pens at home.
I did.
I need that back when you finish. Alright, so what we're going to do first is we're going to add to yesterday's foldable, so you need to keep it out. And then we're going to write on today's foldable. Tyreek, come tomorrow morning. Okay? That way we're not distracted right now and we can get this done, okay? Okay, so what we're going to do is we're going to write down what FOIL is on yesterday's foldable.
What is FOIL?
I'm going to tell you.
It's math class.
Oh my gosh, children.
Alright, what is that for classes or age for now?
Yes. You know I'm old, right?
You're 30.
Did I know that? Yeah.
Call me Charlie.
Alright, so on yesterday's foldable, at the top, we're going to write what these letters stand for. Now, each letter represents a different part of what we're going to do today. And we're going to be multiplying because that's our whole goal today. What's our goal for the unit? What do I want you to do by the end of the unit?
Use my exponent rules add to multiply.
Fantastic. Take a point. So today, when you're multiplying binomials, the first thing you do is you multiply the first terms together. So the F stands for first. And I'm going to do that in blue. The O stands for the outer terms. So you have two binomials. It's the outside terms, the ones that are the furthest out. The I stands for inner. It's the inner two terms. It's the ones on the inside, real close to each other, being best friends. Yes, we're besties. What do you think the L stands for? Last. Take a point. This is on yesterday's. Yeah. You can get this in the morning when you come in here. Don't worry. I'm going to let you just copy my notebook. For legging? Legend? Legend, wait for it, dairy. Alright, so what we're going to do today is I'm going to show you how to use FOIL. Are we ready?
Yes.
Now, I want everybody to put their pencils down. And I want you to look at the board. Because I'm going to show you what to do, and then you're going to copy this down. I'm going to show you what to do, then you're going to copy it down. Is everybody ready? Okay, so we're on this foldable. We're on today's foldable as everybody's opened up and or glued down. Alright. Oh no, just show him how weird we are.
Okay.
Alright, so step 1 says multiply the first terms together. So it's the first term in each parentheses. What are the first two terms?
3x and 2x.
Okay, so what you're going to do is you're going to draw an arrow. I don't want you to do it right now. I want you to watch. 3x times 2x is what?
6x.
6x.
X.
Squared.
Squared. Why is it squared? Okay,
You have the
I can't hear you when y'all yell at me.
Okay.
Alright, now, we multiplied 3x times 2x and we got 6x squared. Now, step 2 is multiply the outer terms together. What are the outside two terms?
4 and 5.
Outside.
5 3 and 2.
Outside.
There's 3 and 5.
3 and 5. Fantastic.
Oh, shit.
So 3x times negative 5. That's okay. You didn't know. That's why we were looking at it. Is negative 15x. Does everybody see what I have so far?
Yes.
Okay. So, I've drawn an eyebrow. I've drawn a mouth. Now, the next thing you do is you multiply the inner terms. What are the inner terms? Yes, and what's 4 times 2x?
8x.
Okay. The final step is to, well, the next step is to multiply the last terms together. What are the last terms?
Negative 5.
Look at you go. And what's that?
Negative 20.
Now, this is one expression because you see we're doing the same thing over and over again. This is our expression. Do we have any like terms to combine?
Yes.
Okay, so we would combine those, and our final answer would be 6x squared. What's negative 15 plus 8? Say it with confidence.
Negative 7.
Is it going to be negative 7x or x squared?
X squared.
X. No, 7.
X squared.
Are we adding?
Yeah.
Do we change the exponent when we add?
No.
No, we only change it when we multiply, so it's 7x minus 20. But I like how confident y'all were. Okay, so now I want you to take 30 seconds and write this down. Hustle. Rapido. Yes, 30 whole seconds. Let's go. Mitchell, are you done writing? Awesome. We're going to go through another problem, Mazzaro. Don't worry. Ten seconds. 5, 4, 3, 2, let's go. Hustle. That's like 20 extra seconds. Come on, guys.
That's 50. I can write that. I'm so glad you posted on your website.
Are we ready? Okay, so now we are going to combine this, and we're going to do example 1 together. So, step 1, it says multiply the first terms together. So we are doing this one together. What are the first terms? Alright, now everybody draw the eyebrow with me. It's going to make a face at the end, so everybody draw that arch. What is x times x?
X squared.
X squared. Fantastic. It's not x2 because we're not at bingo. Alright, step 2. What's step 2?
Outer.
Okay, what are our outer terms?
7 is negative 3.
No.
X
X and negative 3, so we're drawing the mouth. X and negative 3. What's x times negative 3?
Negative 3x.
Fantastic. But we're multiplying. So it's okay that we multiply them. They don't have to be like terms to multiply. Are you okay, Kobe? Did I just rock your whole world?
He got hit by a car.
But these are, we can multiply them together. It's okay that they're not like terms. We can multiply them. Because remember yesterday we multiplied these, and they're not like terms. And these. Remember? You were there? So, it's okay. Alright, now we're multiplying the inner terms, which is our third step. So 7 times x, which is what?
7x.
But I like that you noticed they weren't like terms. Alright, and what's our next step? Step 4.
The last. Which is 7 and negative 3.
So it's negative 21. Now does everybody see the face? The binomials are his eyes, his mouth, his nose, and his eyebrows. Look at him. He's a rainbow.
I see it.
I love that you're excited about it. Alright, now, do we have any like terms that we can combine?
Yes.
Which one?
Negative 3 and 7x.
Okay. So, we bring down our x squared. Are we going to add the exponents on these?
Yes. No, because we're adding.
No, because we're adding. We only change the exponents when we multiply. What's negative 3x plus 7x?
4x.
Positive, and so it's minus 21. And boom, we're done.
This is simple.
How do we feel?
I feel perfect.
Do you want to do one more together?
Yeah, we got it.
Okay, Mazzaro, what part don't you understand?
Okay, I don't understand, like in the middle.
Right here?
Yeah. Yes, transition.
What about it?
What are you supposed to?
Why did I combine those? They're like terms. And why are they like terms? And they have the same what? Exponent. Okay? So we did negative 3 plus 7 and we got 4.
Okay, I got you.
That's all. Tariq, are you with me? Are you sure? Okay, because I know you were out, so I want to make... Alright, so let's do example 3 together, and then you'll do example 4 without me. Okay? We'll do one more together. Alright. Well, example 2 is a special one, so we're going to come back to it tomorrow. It's a special thing. Alright, so example 3. What are we going to multiply together first?
The first one.
Which is?
Negative 2x.
2x and x. What's 2x times x?
2x. 2x squared.
Power. Or square.
2 times 1 is?
Dang it, I said 2x.
X times x is x squared. Okay, now let's stop screaming and make sure we all see where we got that from. Everybody look at the board and tell me that you see where we got that 2x squared from.
Yes.
You do? Okay. Who else does?
Me.
Thank you for your thumbs up. Yes. Because 1 plus 1 is 2. So when we multiply like bases, we add the exponents.
But that's 2x.
That's an invisible
Times
one.
1 is 2, but why did you put a square?
Because this has a 1 right here. This has a 1 right here. When you multiply like bases, you add the exponents. So 1 plus 1 is 2.
But there is no...
It's invisible.
It's an invisible 1. For the rest of your entire life, x times x is going to be x squared.
Invisible one.
For the rest of your life. Even in heaven. Alright, so now we need to do the mouth. So we got to do the outer. What's 2x times negative 2?
Negative 4x.
Negative 4x. You were close, you just didn't multiply. Alright, now we need to multiply the inner terms. So we do our nose. What's 9 times x?
9x squared. 9x. What?
9x. We don't have another x, honey.
Oh.
It's just 9 times x. Alright, and our last is our other eyebrow. 9 times negative 2 is?
Negative 18.
Negative 18.
So it does the little face every time.
Every time you'll make the face. Every single time. That's how you know what you did.
That's so cool.
Now, do we have any like terms to combine?
Yeah.
Billy.
And that gives us 2x squared. What's negative 4 plus 9?
Negative 3. No, wrong. Negative 5.
It's positive 5.
It's positive 5x. Do I need an x squared or just x?
X squared.
X.
X. When you're adding, you don't add the exponents. You only combine exponents when you multiply. Jesus, take the wheel. And bring down negative 18.
This is simple.
I love that song.
It's a terrible song.
No, it's not.
Yes, it is. Alright, example 4. I want you to do example 4 without me. Okay, let's do it. Yes.
Oh, you know what to do or where to put the... I forgot what it's called. Wiggly upside down.
With the like terms. And they're always in the middle.
Totally upside down.
Bracket. Squiggy.
Stop it, yo.
Alright, so 8x times negative 3x gives us negative 24x squared. Thank you. 8x times negative 1 gives us negative 8x plus 9x plus 3. Is everybody with me? Then you combine like terms. You get negative 24x squared plus x plus 3.
Yeah, I got it right.
Now, your homework tonight, these 3, 7, 8, 9, and yesterday's foldable. 7, 8, I'm gonna fold it. 7, 8, 9, and yesterday's foldable, okay? It's on your foldable.
7, 8, 9. It's on your phone. No, but like, where did you move it that quick?